Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up your phone's camera as a webcam for Twitch streaming. So you will need a application called Webcam for this to work. And basically when opening this app you will have a choice whether to use the wireless connection over Wi-Fi or wired. I'm not really sure what this is. Wi-Fi server, no idea what that is. We're not using that. So basically after that you need to open up your phone. And also, of course, don't forget to install this same Droidcam application onto your Android. I'm using the Android phone for this tutorial. And basically, when opening the app on your Android, I will actually show you the screenshot of what I mean. You will actually need to copy the IP address on your phone in your application and basically insert into this window, into these fields right over here, and then just basically press start. As you can see, everything picked up. You can see my table. And after that, you basically need to go to your OBS. You can also pop out the window like this, so that you can see it better. And then just go to your OBS. As you can see, I have phone here. And what you want to do here is go to plus and choose window capture right over here. You can name it, for example, phone or something like that. I'll call it just smartphone, like that. And this is basically your camera. So just press OK. And as you can see, I'm recording inside of my OBS. And this is our window of our webcam. You just want to make sure that it's up here and also pinned, so that locked right here, after you've actually set it the way you want it. So for example, if you want to have it in, say, right upper side of the screen right here, you can do it and then just lock it, and there you go. When you're streaming you will have this window showing up as well on your stream, and you can actually use this wirelessly just like I've done it just now. And make sure to stream comfortably. You can put your phone anywhere you want. You can also use the wire if you want, but I think wirelessly it's just more comfortable. And you can just use it like this. It's very easy, and hopefully this helps you guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.